Misplay multipliers only help when the qualifying game activity is correctly tracked. So if a coin multiplier appears active, but your earnings are not changing, check the game launch and tracking session before assuming the multiplier itself is broken. By the end, you'll know how to verify the offer, restart tracking, check Android settings, and identify when the issue needs Mistplay support. First, open Mistplay and find the exact game connected to the multiplier. Check the offer details before playing. Make sure you are launching the qualifying game from inside Mistplay, rather than opening the game directly from your phone's home screen. Mistplay recommends launching games through the Mistplay app so gameplay can be tracked correctly. If you already opened the game directly, completely close both the game and Mistplay. Remove them from your recent apps, reopen Mistplay, and launch the game from the Mistplay game list. Next, check whether Mistplay is actually recording your gameplay. Play the qualifying game, then return to Mistplay and check your progress. If normal game activity is not being detected, the multiplier cannot be applied correctly because Mistplay has no qualifying activity to calculate. On Android, check Misplay's battery settings. Open Settings, go to Apps, select Mistplay, and look for battery. Avoid restricted background activity if your phone gives you that option. Battery optimization can interfere with tracking when Mistplay needs to monitor activity while another game is running. Also check your internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, then reopen Mistplay. A connection problem can prevent your activity or reward information from updating correctly. If the multiplier still does not appear, check whether the offer has specific eligibility conditions. Some Mistplay offers can have requirements related to the game, account, or promotion. Read the exact conditions shown inside Mistplay, rather than assuming every game session qualifies. Do not create a second Mistplay account just because the multiplier is missing. Keep using the original account so your existing activity and rewards remain associated with the same profile. You can also force stop Mistplay and clear its cache. Go to Settings, Apps, Mistplay, Storage or Storage and Cache, then choose Clear Cache. Reopen Mistplay and check the multiplier again. If the base earnings are tracking but the multiplier still is not being applied, take screenshots of the multiplier offer, the qualifying game, and your current earnings. Contact Mistplay support with those details so they can check the promotion against your account. The practical order is: verify the offer, launch the game through Mistplay, restart the tracking session, check battery and network settings, and clear the cache if necessary. If this fixed your coin multiplier, like the video and subscribe for more Mistplay troubleshooting guides.